because the whole system is actually being upgraded. Institution money is coming in. For you guys who don't know, we were just talking about cryptocurrency. I'm just kind of picking up where I left off at. So it's not just the token. It's not just currency. It's not just dollars, fiat, and all that stuff. It's actually what's really going on is the tokenization of real world assets. Um, so property, businesses, stocks. BlackRock just announced that they wanted. They're pushing for tokenization of stock markets. So you're talking about stocks and bonds. The reason why is I was talking about the blockchain. The reason why is because before we are on the analog ledger system where things we wrote in, deleted, whoever controls the ledger controls everything. So where we're going is to a more decentralized, more transparent future where everything is done on a ledger. The anonymity is that it's just numbers, not names. But if you know who wallet and goes to who, you can find it. So it's going to expose a lot of kind of corrupt things going on. I'm sure there's going to be a backdoor created somewhere, but you know, allegedly, I'm just speculating. But at the time, what we're doing is we're just upgrading the system. So with uh, real world assets being tokenized, fiat money is being now digitalized with these new cryptocurrencies. And let me say this real quick. Um, like the stable coins like the RUSD or the USD or even the USDT, which is Tether, um, which may be going away soon, those are like the dollars, right? That's dollars, those are denominations. The rest of these coins are attached to the technology that is uh, in creating the system. So think of it as part of the ownership and the infrastructure that is actually bringing on this new quantum financial system. Is that's really what the real name is the quantum financial system, right? We have quantum computers, quantum chips just being created. Now we have a quantum financial system. So welcome to the new day, right? Welcome to the new day. Um, and it's all good. Like this is a good thing, especially for uh, us that been in it for a while and was able to buy into these tokens, into this technology at a really cheap rate. So here's the thing, right? It's February what 24th, right? My calendar's over there, and it's still early. Like I said, regulations is coming. Institutions they got their foot wet with the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETFs with XRP cross border payments, which is huge because XRP can carry the load of the tokenization of real world assets. Um, it is one of my largest holdings because of that, right? I know that this is a technology that is going to revolutionize everything. Right now, if you ever had to transfer money internationally, it takes days, sometimes weeks, and it costs a pretty penny, right, to do it. Now you can do it in seconds, and it costs you literally cents. So that's the technology that's going to change everything. Banks, their biggest problem is liquidity, right? Because they loan out $9 of the $10 that you put in. So if everybody goes and get money out of the bank at once, the bank runs out because it's going to take them weeks just to get the money, just to get the money that you asked for. If you ever try to go get 10 grand, they tell you got to schedule an appointment when you ain't got that much cash on hand, right? So with digitizing money, now you can do it real fast, right? If I wanted to buy a house, I don't need to have all those middlemen and all those fees. I can literally send you the money. You can send me the deed through a smart contract, and everything is done. Right? This is it's amazing. Like I said, if you ever want to get deep into it, I did write a book a few years ago called Demystifying Cryptocurrency, and what that is just a beginner's guide to understanding tokenization, cryptocurrency, understanding the technology that these tokens sit on, and why is it so important. Like I said, institutions are coming this year, 2025. It's going to be a huge year. I know it don't look like it right now, but it is going to be huge. Okay, we just went from, an unfriendly uh, administration crippling the innovation of cryptocurrency, forcing it overseas, to now a more crypto friendly sentiment, new SEC chair, a whole, crypto community group that's going to come in and add regulations so the banks can now come in and, basically make a whole ton of money. And if you miss it, you're gonna be hitting yourself. Maybe not. I mean, it's gonna be some opportunities, but not like this. You don't need a lot. You can still buy tokens for fractions of a cent. You can still buy them for a couple of dollars. Um, think about it. Bitcoin is what, like $90,000, something like that, right now. They were giving them away. They were giving them away, right? I lost $500,000 in Bitcoin because I didn't value it back then. Now, I'm up, I'm woke. I'm like, hey, it's not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. This is something that's happening in the real world. It is happening right now in front of your eyes. And if you miss this train, you're gonna be kicking yourself like, dang, because guess what? In the next 2, 3 years, you're gonna be using these same tokens. You're gonna be using the same cryptocurrency, and you're gonna be thinking about the day where I remember when. All right. This is TK. This is Keith's Guide to Freedom. I hope this helps someone out there. Like I said, if you're interested in the book, I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the description. It's just TikTok. My link is in my bio. You get the first chapter free, so you can check it out, see if it's even something that you want. If so, the book is only $8. I made it really affordable because I want to spread the knowledge, but I also want to get paid for my time. All right, this is TK, and I'm out.